Wagon Productions. We have some major news for you this holiday season.
Brandon.
What?
Did you hear that we got over 100
Oh,
subscribers?
I was just about to get to that.
Oh.
Well, we just almost got over.
Hey, Brandon.
What?
We just got 100 subscribers.
I was just about to get to that.
Oh.
Anyways, I was saying, we were just about
Brandon, did you hear? We have over 100 subscribers.
He was just about to get to that. Continue.
Anyways, I was saying, we got just over 100 subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing.
Yay!
Yay!
Let's all sing a song.
Yeah, let's do that.
A 1, a 2.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful.
Oh, wait, hang on.
Let it-
We're
what?
not going anywhere with this.
Oh.
Let's sing the same song.
Okay.
Okay.
A 1, 2. A 1, 2, 3.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful. Let it snow, let it snow, let it
Hang
snow.
on.
What?
That ain't working.
Well, from all of us at Green Wagon Puppets, Merry
Merry
Christmas! Let's start from the top.
1, 2. 1, 2, the...
The weather outside is frightful, and the fire is so delightful. So let it snow, let it snow, let it